Hello beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking all about the media tab over here in WordPress. So if you are looking to add media to your website, if you're looking to delete some media from your website, if you need to clean it up, and even how you can actually add other things outside of images and videos. Let's just say you wanted to add some soundtracks to your website, anything of that nature, I'll actually show you how to upload those as well. So the first thing you want to make sure you want to go to is the media tab over here and go to your library. Your library is just going to be a showcase of all the things that you already have on your actual website. If you are looking to add some new media, it's right here at the top. All you have to do is go ahead and click on it, select the files that you need. Let's just say I wanted to add these thumbnails. If I wanted to do that, I'm just going to click on open, and as you see, I can drop everything in here, no matter how many that I have. Of course, you just see that the maximum upload file size per thing is 1 GB. But let's just say you were doing the design part of your website at a later time, but you are on your computer and you're like, I want to go ahead and drop all of my images, all of my videos into my WordPress account or my WordPress dashboard. That's how you can easily do that. And you can also do videos as well. So if I'm gonna choose this soundtrack. So the same way you did the images, you can do the videos. And also, if, like I said, you wanted to upload a soundtrack, you can also do that as well, just by dragging it in. And as you see, it'll pop up over here. Now, how you would go about using media files like a soundtrack and videos into your actual design, I can show you on my next video, so be sure you guys are already subscribed. And that's pretty much it. That's how you can add things into your media file. And if you want to delete them, you can always just click on it and you can click on delete permanently right here. Or if you need to bulk select, so I'm gonna just say I want to delete everything that I just uploaded. I can click the first one, hold down shift, and click the last one that I want to delete, which actually I want to delete everything right here. And then I'm gonna go ahead and delete permanently. And as you'll see, they'll slowly just start to go away and start deleting on its own. And there you go, all done. So that's how you can add and delete media files from your WordPress dashboard. Like I said, if you just need to drop in some files for right now, let's just say your editor will be doing some edits on your site and you need to drop in some media, that's how you can do it. And now when the editor is on the back end of the website doing any edits and design work, they can actually click on the media file and they can see the things that you have already uploaded. And like I said, you can upload things from videos, you can also upload soundtracks. And like I said, be sure you subscribe so I can show you guys how to actually utilize videos and soundtracks in your WordPress, in your actual design on the back end. Now, if you guys would like more in-depth tutorials on how I do things when it comes to website design, be sure you guys are joining my Discord community, which I will have linked down below. And I will see you guys in the next one.